Hi everyone, Melinda Van Fleet here. I am up in Miami. I'm so excited and part of the Coral Gables Chamber of Commerce because I like to expand my network, expand my sphere, change up the energy, get out of the keys, all the good stuff, meet new people. And we have our women's business networking lunch committee meeting this morning, so I'm up here. So I wanted to finally take a moment to announce something I am super excited about. It is something I am going to launch starting Saturday, March 25th. It is from 9 to noon, and it's going to be in person and on Zoom. Yes, in person and on Zoom. And what it is a business intention energy workshop. Yes, and I've been playing around with the names, activating what may be part of it, but what really as something who sees a lot of things as a knower, as someone with very strong intuition, I see what's going on out there in the land of social media, in the land of all these, online workshops and webinars. And I just really feel called to combine what I see in the online space with these webinars and workshops with some type of retreat. So these business intention energy workshops is a combination of those two things. It's a combination of working on your business, whether you're an entrepreneur, whether you're a coach, you're a small business owner, or maybe you're a manager. Maybe it's not your business, but you really care. You're a manager that cares and you're really wanting to help your business grow. Anyone that has some type of business acumen, let's say, is welcome. And also energy. We're going to do energy work in the workshop, and then I'm going to do in a high 7D energy transmission as the channel to everyone in the workshop. So the agenda is jam-packed for the 3 hours. It's also going to include networking and just really fun. It's like nothing else I have ever seen out there. So again, in person, space will be limited, but in person and on Zoom. And then what's going to be even more next level, because I love being a next level coach and business consultant, is that it's going to be ongoing. Yes. So we're going to nip all this in the bud where someone goes to like a Tony Robbins per se. I've been to Tony Robbins, so I get this. And everyone's super pumped up and super excited. You're going to work on your goals and you're going to work on this. You're going to work on your mindset. You're going to work on all these things. And then you do jack shit. Like the next day, nothing. The next week, nothing. The next month, nothing. So these workshops will be ongoing. So there'll be level 1. Everyone always has to go through level 1. And then after that, there'll be like a level 2, which is a continuing. So my intention is that people come back every month to continue to work on their goals, work on their intentions, pick up any new tips, ideas, do any tweaks, hold themselves accountable, like all those good things, and still get an energy infusion for the month. So it's just super cool. It is next level. It is like no other. This completely came to me. And again, I've been wanting to do something for a very long time. I actually journaled about it in 2021. So this has been like this ongoing thing. And I believe in divine timing. I believe in surrendering, and just everything really came together. Everything came together with being certified in a high. Everything came together with all my business skills and everything I can work with you as like a coaching client or consulting client. And then extra magic came together with the space. So if you are in the Keys, you may know J Kindred Salon and J Kindred Art Studio, which is right in the same little plaza. I'm going to be using that space, and I'm super excited and grateful to Jamie and Josh McNew. Jamie does my hair. And so I am really excited to be able to use that space. And also, it's going to also be on Zoom. So if you can't make it live and in person, it will also be on Zoom. And the extra bonus is that, heck, this is a business write-off, people. And I live in the Keys. What does that mean? That means, heck, make a vacation of this. Make a 3-day weekend. Grab a friend. Come down for the night. Stay in a nice hotel. Treat yourself. Take a spa day after you do this. It's a 3-hour workshop working on your business. Hello, genius, right? So there's really no excuse. If you're a business person and you totally get it and you want to grow, you want to level up, you want to start a business, maybe you're stuck, maybe you just want to be in the energy, like who cares? Like just come. Like it's going to be super fun. It's going to be super exciting. You're going to work on your business. You're going to work on your intentions. You're going to work on anything that you need to work on. This is specialized for you. This is not going to be like a cookie cutter workshop. And it's just going to be really, really fun and exciting. So it's going to be $111. Each of the sessions will always be $111 until I raise the price, which will happen someday. But at this moment, they'll be $111. And yeah, I'll be sharing the link all over, but this is just my little announcement video. So check it out and would love to have you. If you have any questions, you can message me or email me at melinda@melindavanfleet.com. Hope to see ya. Thanks. Bye.